Do you need help balancing redox reactions in acidic conditions? Let's balance one together step by step. First step, you're going to determine which atom is being oxidized and which atom is being reduced by assigning oxidation numbers. The oxidation numbers have been assigned, and as you can see, manganese is being reduced and uranium is being oxidized. Based on what's being oxidized and what's being reduced, you're going to break up the reaction into two half reactions. The first reaction is the reduction reaction. The second reaction is the oxidation reaction. Next, you would balance the atoms that were oxidized and reduced. In this case, you have one Mn on each side. Mn is balanced, and one uranium atom on each side. Uranium is balanced. Next, you're going to balance oxygen atoms using water on the opposite side. So you have two oxygen atoms here, so you want to add two water molecules so that there's two oxygen atoms on the left. Next, you're going to balance the hydrogen that you just added with hydrogen plus ion on the opposite side. So here's 4 hydrogen atoms, so you're going to add 4 hydrogen ions on the opposite side. The equation above, you're going to add 4 water molecules to the right side to balance out the 4 oxygen atoms here. And on this side, you're going to add 8 hydrogen ions to balance out the 8 hydrogen atoms here. Next, you're going to balance each equation's charge using electrons. So there is a charge of 8 minus 1, so plus 7 on this side, and plus 2 on this side. So you're going to add 5 electrons on this side. So on each side now there's a charge of plus 2. We do the same thing for the second equation. On the left side there's a charge of plus 4. On the right side there is a charge of plus 6. So you add 2 electrons here. So now each side has a charge of plus 4 in the second equation. Now you want to multiply each equation by a factor so that you have equal number of electrons on each side so they cancel out. So the first equation you multiply by 2 and you'll have 10 electrons in that equation. And the second equation you multiply by 5, so you have 10 electrons in the second equation. We combine the two half reactions to get this reaction. We can further simplify this equation by subtracting 16 hydrogen ions from each side and 8 water molecules from each side. This is the final simplified equation. Click the link in my bio to receive my free guide on how to achieve success in chemistry, and follow me for more chemistry videos.